Hello, my name is Mira Nizri. I'm a cosmetic and I'm also doing alternative massage, and I know the secret 24 karat in a month, and it's wonderful. For all women that want to lose weight or to be more nice, have a body, nice body, and it's wonderful. And from the first time you can see that you have lost weight and lost a few centimeters, and you can use it very simply, and you can also come to me for trying this secret 24 karat. I have a clinic in Kiryat Yam, in Street Herzl 35. My phone number is 052 29. Sorry.
Again, no problem.
052 2988882.
Wonderful. And if you want help from abroad of Israel, you must add to this number 972. Okay?
No, again, my number, I have a mistake, I think.
Okay.
My phone number is 052 2955559. My name is Mira.
Mira,
Yes.
very hot question. Only one question.
Yes.
Tell me, please, how many centimeters every woman can to lose immediately after 14 minutes with first procedure?
Okay, in the first time.
This is not bullshit, I'm sorry?
No, it's not bullshit. It's very useful, and every woman can see that the first time she can she can lose in her legs 1-2 centimeters for leg.
Immediately, I know also.
Immediately, 45 minutes, and she can see the result. And for the stomach, she can lose even 3 centimeters for the first time.
Wonderful. Okay, I understand you can recommend 24 carats The Secret DT sealed fit application for every woman in the world.
Yes, that's right. Every woman in the world must use this for area for her body, and she can be more happy and nicer, and the result is very good.
Okay, thank you, Mira.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.